Hello everyone, I am again Hare Ramra from Royal Edugen going to describe the structure of DNA. So DNA, the full form of DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. It is also called molecule of life. So the function of life is somehow controlled or regulated by this DNA, the master molecule of life. We can say that origin of life start with the formation of DNA or RNA. So these are nucleic acid. DNA and RNA both are nucleic acid. In my previous video, I have already explained that nucleic acid was discovered by Mescher, and then rather Watson and Crick given double helical model. I will explain later on. Here, the primary structure of DNA you must know by this video. So, structure of DNA, when we talk about the structure of DNA is called polynucleotide, deoxyribonucleotide. The word, remember, poly means many, when D word is added, prefix added to a word, make a lower, reduces. So one oxygen is removed. When you properly see the sugar, this one is a sugar, deoxy sugar and ribose sugar, pentose sugar, these are the pentose sugar. So poly, D means one oxygen is lacking here, you can see here OH, but here H. So one O, this one O is lacking here. That makes the difference between deoxyribose and ribose. So polydeoxyribonucleotide. DNA is scientifically, chemically, we are going to describe the molecular basis of inheritance. Physical basis of inheritance we have already discussed, Mendel's law. What is the molecule? Molecules really, which play important role to transfer the character from one generation to another, and why the offspring become similar to their parents. What is the secret behind it? We are going to discuss here. So poly means many, deoxy, ribose, nucleotide. Nucleotide, when we talk about nucleotide, it is composed of two words, nucleosides and phosphate. So when phosphate is removed from nucleotide, it becomes nucleosides. So what is phosphate? Phosphate is phosphoric acid in the form of H3PO4. No, H3PO4 is the phosphate group. So phosphate, when removed from the nucleotide, it becomes nucleoside. So what is there is nucleoside? Nucleoside is made up of further pentose sugar and nitrogenous bases. Two types of nitrogenous bases are there. Pentose sugar, again, pentose sugars are of two types, deoxyribose and ribose. So if DNA, we see the structure of DNA, we select the deoxyribose sugar. But when there is a structure of RNA is going to be described, then we take ribose, means one O is extra. This O, one O makes the RNA more active, and hence when we compare the genetic material, later on I'll discuss that who will be the best genetic material, DNA or RNA, then nature selected that DNA is the best genetic material by losing one oxygen. Oxygen is active. So losing this oxygen, it becomes deoxy and also become very stable. So stability during the course of evolution provided by DNA and RNA evolved into DNA. So it is obvious that during the formation of life, synthesis of life, origin of life, the RNA was first formed. The RNA evolved, changes itself during the course of time, change itself and convert into DNA. When it converted into DNA, it becomes best genetic material. Later on we'll search about it. So nitrogenous pentose sugar is of two types. In DNA only one, deoxyribose, not ribose sugar is present in DNA. Nitrogenous bases. Come to the nitrogenous bases. Nitrogenous bases are of two types, purine and pyrimidine. These are the two one hexa, one penta, two ring structure, purine, which is further is of two types, adenine and guanine. Detailed chemistry, biochemistry will see about it further. And guanine. So adenine and guanine are the purine type of bases. And there are three type of pyrimidine. These are single hexagonal ring structure. But this one is hexagon and then pentagon. So double ring structure is there. Here double ring structure, single ring structure. Very easily you can remember that the name is very short, purine, and compare pyrimidine. So name is short but the structure is longer. Here name is longer but the structure is shorter. So in this way sometimes a student confused. Which one is adenine, thymine, cytosine, guanine? Who is the purine and pyrimidine? So don't be confused. The name is, if name is shorter, the structure is longer. So adenine, guanine, Ag and Ct, cytosine and thymine. These are the pyrimidine. Also uracil. But uracil only present in RNA. This is the nitrogenous base of RNA. And thymine is the nitrogenous base of DNA. But cytosine, when we talk about cytosine, it is common. It is common for what? Both DNA and RNA. But thymine present in DNA and uracil present in RNA. So there is a one difference between DNA and RNA, that in DNA the nitrogenous base is thymine, while in RNA nitrogenous base is uracil. Okay. So next time I will going to describe the structure. Here you know how can you count the number of carbon. You must count number of carbon. Here is the carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, carbon number 4 and carbon number 5. So in this way, in pentose sugar there are five members in the 4 remain associated with one oxygen and one remain inside one. So again here 1 number carbon, 2 number carbon, 3 number carbon, 4 number carbon and 5 number carbon. So you must remember this one because it will always in DNA structure it will teach you. So 1 prime to 5 prime direction. What is mean by 1 to 5? 1 represents this one, 5 represents this one. 3 to prime, 3 prime to 5 prime. What does it mean? 3 means 3 carbon this one, 5 carbon this one. So you must remember this one, the position of carbon. Okay? Right. Okay. Now let us see the structure of structure of purine versus pyrimidine. Purine versus pyrimidine. So purines are adenine and guanine, we have already discussed. So the structure of adenine, it is a 9-member heterocyclic carbon made up of carbon, nitrogen and oxygen. So you can count the number as number 1 from nitrogen here. This one is a nitrogen. Number 1, carbon 2, again nitrogen 3, carbon 4, 5, 6 and then 7, 8 and 9. So 9-member heterocyclic double ring structure, hexagon and pentagon combined together known as purine. So these are the purine structures. And then you see the guanine. In guanine there is again 1 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9-member ring in which there is a amino group in adenine. Remember, there is an amino group in adenine that is replaced by a keto group. So remember, at the 6 keto position in urine, there is a 6 keto group and a 2 amino. Okay, at the 2 amino group is there, but here amino group is at 6, no keto group is there. So in this way you can differentiate. Mind it in your mind that which one is a 1 and which one is a 9. So this structure you must remember, because when we will give the nucleotide, sugar, phosphate and base unite together, I will talk about that where is 1 to 9 connection, 5 prime to 3 prime connection. So if you remember the number of carbon, you will be easily understand the structure of DNA. So it is very important for you that you must remember which one is 3, which one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again, start from nitrogen here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So move in this direction, then in this direction. Again in pyrimidine, which is a single hexagonal structure. Pyrimidine again heterocyclic, contain carbon, nitrogen, carbon, nitrogen, carbon, carbon group. So they are the member here. Okay, so let us see here. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 member made up of nitrogen, carbon, nitrogen, carbon, carbon, carbon. Having amino group in cytosine, which is common for DNA and RNA both. While thymine and uracil, thymine present in DNA and uracil present in RNA. So what is difference between thymine and uracil? Here methyl group, you must remember, methyl group is replaced here, okay, by hydrogen. So methyl group is lacking here, and in uracil, and the keto group is 2 keto group, but 1 methyl group at the place of 1 hydrogen. Okay, so in this way you can easily differentiate that the single member ring, which one is the number 1 carbon, which one is the number 6 carbon of nitrogen, etc. So after this I will compile the sugar, phosphate as well as nitrogenous bases to make mononucleotide. Mononucleotide and dinucleotide and then polynucleotide structure. We have already discussed that DNA is a polyribonucleotide structure. So after that let us see the mononucleotide.